Hi there, my name is Eric the Electrician. An electrician is a professional who studies and understands electricity. My job is to know how electricity flows in order to build and fix something called an electrical circuit. You've probably heard of electricity, but maybe you're wondering what an electrical circuit is. Well, an electrical circuit is a complete, closed loop that allows electricity to flow along a pathway. You see, everything is made up of matter, and matter is made up of atoms. Tiny, tiny particles called electrons orbit around the outside of atoms and can move from one atom to another. This jump, or flow of electrons, is called electricity. In order for electricity to flow, the path needs to be closed or complete. That means there are no gaps in the pathway of complete electrical circuit. You're probably wondering, what do you need to build an electrical circuit? Well, let me tell you about the four main parts of all electrical circuits. These four parts make up what we call a simple circuit. First, you need a power source. The power source provides energy for your circuit. Without a power source, electrons would not flow along a pathway. Second, you need a load. A load is the part of the circuit which does work. In other words, a load uses electricity to do what it is supposed to do. In the circuits I build and the circuits you will be building today, the load is a light bulb. A light bulb is a load because it requires electricity to turn on. Next, you need to connect the parts of your circuit. These connections are called pathways because they allow electricity to flow through a path around to each part of the circuit. You will be using metal wires as a pathway in the circuit challenges. When you connect the parts of a circuit with metal wires, electricity can flow from the power source to the load and back around to the power source, thus completing a loop for electricity to flow. Last, you can also include a switch in your circuit. A switch allows you to interrupt or stop the electrical flow in a circuit. The best part of a circuit is that you can control whether or not the electricity flows. Think about the light switch on the wall of the room you're in now. It doesn't make sense to have electricity flowing when no one is there. So a switch allows you to create a gap in the circuit when the light is in the off or open position, thus stopping the light bulb from turning on. Your job today will be to use what you know about electricity and what I've explained to you about electricity to create different types of circuits. You will see all the tools you need to build your circuits in the toolbox along the left side of your screen. You can scroll up and down to see all of the toolbox items by clicking on the down and up arrow. To build your circuits, you will need to click and drag items from the toolbox onto your workstation. You click and drag items from the toolbox by clicking down on the item you want to use with your mouse, moving the mouse with your fingers still pushing down, then letting go of the mouse in the location that you would like to drop the item on the workstation. You can move the position of items even after you place them by clicking and dragging them again. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see the challenge instructions. Be sure to read the instructions carefully so you know exactly what to do to build each circuit. Above the challenge description, you will see a progress bar. This progress bar shows how far along you are in completing all challenges. When you finish all challenges correctly, you will be able to build your own circuit in Challenge 6. At the bottom left of your screen, you can see some options that can help you if you get stuck. First, you can replay this video if you need a review on electrical circuits or how to use the program interface. You can also click the Get a Hint button if you really need help in completing a challenge. Finally, after you complete each task, you will be asked to answer a question or two about the circuit you just created. You will not be able to move on to the next challenge until you answer these questions correctly. Alright, you're ready to go! Here's the first challenge. Build a simple circuit using one battery, one light bulb, a switch, and wires. When you're ready, click the small X in the top right hand corner of this video box and get started. Good luck! And remember, if you need my help again, click on the watch video again at the bottom of the screen. Ready, set, go!